Ever wondered why we suddenly go hic 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 and can't stop? Hiccups may seem funny, but they actually have a lot of science behind them. Let's find out why we get hiccups, what causes them, and how to stop them. What are hiccups? Hiccups happen when a muscle under our lungs called the diaphragm suddenly contracts. This muscle normally helps us breathe in and out. But when it spasms, we take in a quick breath, and our vocal cords close with a snap, creating that funny hic sound. Causes of hiccups. There are many reasons we get hiccups, including eating too quickly, or overeating drinking fizzy or carbonated drinks, swallowing air while chewing gum or talking, sudden changes in temperature, like drinking something too hot or too cold, spicy foods irritating the stomach, stress, excitement, or even laughing too much. So yes, both food and emotions can trigger hiccups. Fun fact, do animals get hiccups? Yes, cats, dogs, even babies inside the womb can get hiccups. It's a reflex that's been with us since ancient times. Popular myths about hiccups. Some people say that if you get hiccups, it means someone is thinking about you. Sounds cute, but science says otherwise. Hiccups are purely a physical reaction, not a telepathic message. How to stop hiccups. Home remedies. Most hiccups go away on their own, but here are some common tricks people try. Holding your breath for a few seconds, drinking a glass of cold water slowly, gargling with water, eating a spoonful of sugar or honey, pulling your knees to your chest and leaning forward. These tricks work because they reset or calm the diaphragm. When should you worry? Normally, hiccups last only a few minutes, but if hiccups continue for more than 48 hours, it could signal an underlying medical issue like stomach irritation, nerve problems, or even certain illnesses. In that case, it's best to see a doctor. So, next time you get hiccups, you'll know it's just your diaphragm throwing a mini tantrum. Do you have your own funny or strange trick to stop hiccups? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the bell icon for more fun science facts every week.